Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make Instagram account public. First you need to open the Instagram, then we can see the home page of Instagram, but we can go to our um, profile page. Here we can see now our account is private, but we can go to the three lines on the top of the screen. And here find the setting and privacy. Then scroll down and find the account privacy. Here we can using the slider turn off this option. Switch to public account. Yes. Click on the blue button and here we can see our account is public now. And that's all for this function for today. Goodbye.